Na nababo kabalin, kamusta kayo po? My name is Louie and welcome to Wear in Pampanga, where we help businesses promote their products and services to our Wear in Pampanga community. For today's vlog, we would like to thank O&K Homemade Treats for sending us these amazing goodies. For our information guys, si O&K Homemade Treats are owned by two physical and occupational therapists, namely Oren and Kayla, hence O&K. According to our orientation with the owners, their passion for baking and producing such lovely treats such as this, yun po yung talagang nag-udyok sa kanila to produce such an amazing treats such as yung nasa harapan po natin ngayon. So let me introduce their products one by one, starting off from the middle. This is their pizza cookie. This 9-inch cookie is perfect for sharing and good alternative for a cake on a kid's birthday party. This is the largest cookie I've ever seen. It's so huge. It's almost, it's a size of parang siyang size ng small pizza. So tingnan naman natin siya. So next to introduce to you guys is the chewy chocolate chip. Chewy chocolate chip is your classic chocolate chip cookie with plenty of chocolate chips and chunks. Taste it. This is their doublet chocolate chip. It's a cocoa-based cookie filled with semi-sweet and bittersweet chocolate chips and chunks. It's like a brownie but in a cookie form. Let's taste it.
Wow!
This is the Cocoa Matcha White Chocolate Chip. Who knew matcha and coconut would pair so well together? A matcha-based cookie filled with white chocolate chip and coconut bits. Let's taste it. White chocolate cranberry oatmeal. Soft and chewy oatmeal-based cookie filled with premium dried cranberries and white chocolate chip. Let's taste it. US White Chocolate Macadamia. Soft bake style cookies made premium with white chocolate chip and macadamia nuts with every bite. Let's taste it. Red velvet with cream cheese filling. A gorgeously red cookie with just the right amount of cocoa, topped with white chocolate chip and cream cheese filling inside. Let's taste it!
Wow!
Yaman again! Triple cheese ube halaya. Ube halaya based cookie topped with white chocolate chip, cream cheese, sharp and light cheddar cheese. Let's taste it. And lastly, golden breakfast. Oatmeal based cookie filled with butterscotch chips and toasted walnuts, topped with honey, cornflakes, and oozing with dulce de leche. Let's taste it.
Wow!
Wow, what an amazing treat! I am really stunned and impressed sa lasa po ng mga cookies na pinadala nila. They are really premium. And if you are to ask me which is my top 3, number 3 would be the red velvet. Number 2 would be the classic. And number 1 would be this triple cheese ube halaya. Grabe! It's my first time to, actually meet or encounter this kind of cookie. So, if you aren't sure yet kung ano yung o-orderan mo dito, you can actually order an assorted flavor. Guys, if you like the food you saw in this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. You gotta check out their fan page to order from O&K Homemade Treats. Thanks so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next video, I hope to see you there. I'm gonna enjoy this, guys. See ya!